Have you ever tried to follow too many voices and ended up feeling more confused than before? Advice comes from everywhere: friends, social media, expectations, even our own fears. And it can become difficult to know which direction to take. In today's gospel, Jesus speaks about a different kind of voice, one that does not confuse but leads, not with pressure but with clarity and care. He describes himself as the shepherd whose sheep recognizes his voice. This is not about force or control, but about relationships. The sheep follow because they know him. There is familiarity, trust, and a sense of safety in his presence. In the same way, our relationship with Christ grows not just through knowledge, but through closeness, through prayer, listening, and daily encounters. The more time we spend with God, the easier it becomes to recognize His voice. That is what shapes our discernment. It is not that other voices disappear, but that His voice becomes clearer among them. It guides us with peace rather than confusion, with truth rather than pressure. Amen.